Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 10, Taking a Taxi. In this lesson you will learn how to take a taxi and how to give directions. Let's have a look. When you arrive in a new city and you are not familiar with the public transportation, you should definitely consider to take a taxi to avoid all the stress. Let's have a look. The first question you need to know is, where can I get a taxi? Wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? Wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? Wo means where, bekomme means to get, ich means I, and ein Taxi means a taxi. Taxi is neuter, das Taxi. Where can I get a taxi? Wo bekomme ich ein Taxi? It is always a good idea to write down the address or the name of the hotel and then hand it to the taxi driver. You can say, "Can you drive me to this address?" In German we would say, "Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren?" Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? Können means can. Sie is the formal form of you. Mich, me. Bitte means please. Zu means to. Dieser means this. Adresse means address and fahren means to drive. So, can you drive me to this address? Können Sie mich bitte zu dieser Adresse fahren? In this lesson, I want to have a closer look at the word mich, which means me. Let's look at the personal pronouns part 3 in the accusative case where the personal pronouns are the direct object. First, let's have a look at the singular form in the first, second, and third person. We have the word mich, which means me or myself. Then dich, which means you or yourself. And for the second person, we also have the formal form, which is sie. And for the third person, we have ihn, which means him, ihr, which means her, and es, which means it. Mich, dich, sie, ihn, ihr, es. Now let's see how the plural form looks like. Uns, us, euch, which means you. Again, here we have the formal form, which is sie as well. And in the third person plural, we have the word sie, which means them. Uns, euch, sie, sie. If you want to go to the city center, you can simply say zum Stadtzentrum bitte. Zum Stadtzentrum bitte. Zum means to. Stadtzentrum is the city center and is neuter. Das Stadtzentrum, and bitte means please. The city center please. Zum Stadtzentrum bitte. The airport please. Zum Flughafen bitte. Zum Flughafen bitte. Again, zum means to. Flughafen means airport and is masculine. Der Flughafen, and bitte means please. The airport please. Zum Flughafen bitte. Now let's see how to give directions in German. For left, we say links, links, straight, geradeaus, geradeaus, and right, rechts, rechts, links, geradeaus, rechts. If you are familiar with the streets and you want to give directions and you would like to say, for example, to the left here, you would say hier links abbiegen. Hier links abbiegen. Hier means here, links means left, abbiegen actually means to turn. So if you want to have it simpler, you could say hier links bitte. Hier links bitte, which is the direct translation of to the left here. To the right here. Hier rechts abbiegen. Hier rechts abbiegen. Again, here means here, rechts means right, and abbiegen means to turn. Or in the simple form, hier rechts bitte. If you want to say please go straight, you would say geradeaus bitte. Geradeaus bitte. Once you arrived at your destination, you can either say it's here, which is hier ist es. Hier ist es. Or just simply say stop, which is in German stopp. Stopp. Hier ist es and stopp. This was lesson 10. Now I am sure that you are more confident in given directions in German. I will see you in the next lesson where you will learn about different locations in the city.